Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'll be showing you how to organize your one of your programs if it's like a little bit too taking up too much space or anything like that. And so just follow along, and thank you for watching.
What we're doing is requesting the weather from the Weather API, which is returned in JSON format. And if you remember, the JSON had a lot of information that we didn't really need, since we were only interested in the description and minimum and maximum temperatures. So we found those values and printed them. One thing we could do to organize this program more is move all of the print statements to the bottom. So the printing of results has its own section. Then we could take everything else and put it in a function called getWeatherDescription and temperature. Which let's shorten to getWeather. Desk and temp. Now we just need to figure out how to return these three values. I think returning a dictionary would make the most sense. So we'll type return and then create a dictionary with curly brackets. Then we'll type a key for description and add the description value. And then we can do the same for temp min and temp max. Now back main body of our program, we need to call the function and save it to a variable, which we'll call weatherdict, since dict is short for dictionary. That'll help us remember this stores our dictionary. Now we have all of our results, but we need to edit our print statements to get the values out of the dictionary. We can use weatherdict.get and then use the key description. And then we can do the same for temp min and temp max. This get weather function is great because we can reuse it in other programs if we wanted to. Just like if you Googled the weather on your phone or used what's the weather on your Google Home, those might be calling the same get weather function from different places. Now let's go ahead and run this and make sure it's still working. And we get today's forecast is clear sky, the minimum temperature is 66.2, and the maximum temperature is 71.01. Great, it's working as expected. One finishing touch we could do is to move everything inside the main body of our program into a function called main. And remember to call main at the bottom. Finally, if we run this again, we get the same results. Finishing touch we could do is to move everything inside the main body of our program into a function called main. And remember to call main at the bottom. Finally, if we run this again, we get the same results. And we were able to organize our code into logical units to make it more organized and reusable.